Hi guys, today we will be covering UK payroll basics. What are the objective of today's session? What is payroll? What is HMRC? And basic understanding of UK payroll. What is payroll? Before starting with the UK payroll, let's discuss what actually payroll means. Payroll refers to the amount you pay employees during each pay period along with employee information. Or in other words, it is a process of gross to net calculation of employee's salary. That means a gross amount or total amount given to the employee by the employer. Then after deduction, the remaining amount which goes to the employee's bank account is known as net amount. What is HMRC? Everyone discusses about this and it's in news as well. HMRC is nothing but Her Majesty's Revenue and Custom. It's a non-ministerial department of the UK government responsible for the collection of taxes, the payment of some form of state support, and the administration of other regulatory regime, including the national minimum wage. Let's move further, guys. Basic understanding of UK payroll. Let's start our first session with a sample payslip. Why a sample payslip? The reason is here. If we understand how to read a payslip and the components on it, that means we know what we have to learn in detail to make ourselves as a trained UK payroll professional. So if you know what we have to learn, then you will be in a better position to learn that in future sessions or in your studies related to UK payroll. This is a sample payslip, guys. On top left corner, there is a personal information of the employee, such as full name of the employee, postal address and postcode. So these are the details of the employee to whom this particular payslip pertains. Now we have a pay date of the employee shown as 31/1/2017. This is the date on which employee gets salary in his or her bank account. Now we have some other details like employee number, name, month number, week number. Month number, week number means the month or week in which the employee gets salary using this payslip. Employer name, we have taken a sample name ABC Limited. Pay method shown as BACS. That means electronically the funds will transfer to employee's account as a salary on a given pay date. Tax code, NI number, national insurance number, NI code, national insurance code, we will discuss later. Payment period shown as monthly. That means this employee is a monthly paid employee. That means every month on a particular pay date the employee will get a salary. Now we go to the payments part. In the payment section, all the payments due to the employee in this pay period will reflect over here. And to keep this simple, we have just shown one pay element shown as basic pay. And if suppose there are some other pay elements as well, everything will add up and show as a total payment, which is shown as 1112.44 pounds in this case. This is a gross payment of this employee. Now we go to tax code, which is shown as 1060L. N means cumulative. Tax code is a code which is issued by HMRC to the employee, or it can be used from previous employer's P45. And on the basis of tax code and this month's salary or this pay period salary, the PAY tax gets calculated, which is shown as 450.90 pounds pay as you earn tax. Now we go to NI code. NI code is a code given to the employee on the basis of the age and some other factors. On the basis of NI code, the national insurance contribution of the employee and employer gets calculated. In this case, the national insurance contribution of employee is shown as 47.61 pounds. Just for an example, I have shown advance recovery as 50 pounds. All these deductions add up and give the total deduction, which is shown as 548.51. And if we remove all the deductions from the gross payment, that means remove all the deductions from all the payments, we get the remaining amount, which is known as net payment. And this net payment goes to the employee's bank account as a salary on a given pay date. And the statutory deductions like PAY tax and national insurance contribution has to go to HMRC on a given timelines, and this is purely employer's responsibility to deduct proper amount and make the payment to HMRC in a given timelines. Let's summarize everything, guys. Employees goes to work. At the end of pay period, a payroll gets calculated and the net payment goes to the employee's bank account as a salary on a pay date, and the statutory deductions which are deducted from employee's pay has to go to HMRC. And once again, guys, this is purely employer's responsibility to properly calculate the tax and national insurance and make the payments in a given timelines to HMRC. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and please motivate me with just a click on like and subscribe. Very soon I will come with more videos related to UK payroll. Thank you very much, guys, once again. Bye for now.